Fort ZED is an initiative to convert downtown Fort Collins and the main campus of Colorado State University into a net zero energy district. And the idea of a zero energy district is it's a district that generates as much energy as it uses on an annual basis from local resources.
And the RDSI grant is important because it starts that process. And what it does is shows from a research and development standpoint and a testing standpoint that we can reduce peak energy demand in this district by a significant amount, in this case 5 megawatts. While this won't achieve a zero energy district in and of itself, it will certainly start moving us in that direction.
In order to have a zero energy district, you need a diversity of resources. Sometimes you need to make electricity, sometimes you need to reduce electric use. So the purpose of this study is to see how can we make all of these different components work together to deal with times of electric system peak.
Jumped at the chance to participate in the RDSI grant because producing all of our own energy on site, being a net zero energy producer, has long been a goal of ours. We put together close to 1 megawatt in assets, which includes both on-site generation and load shedding. For our on-site generation, we installed 200 kilowatts of solar photovoltaic. Advanced Energy has been a great partner to us on the project. They actually donated the inverter for our PV array. We have a cogen, an engine that produces both heat and power that runs off of methane, and we're also going to do a better job of capturing the heat from the engine and using it.
What is the smart grid? What does that mean? The old grid is just a one-way path, and it's based on very little knowledge about what is going on out there at the customer. What just got turned on? What could be turned off? What other resources does a customer have? Today's electric system doesn't know that.
And where we're going with renewables and this other distributed integration is we're starting to have power flow in multiple directions. This is a real new way of thinking about the control systems and how do you orchestrate many small resources spread through the grid.
It's a 3-year project. The first 2 years we're involved with getting things operational, getting things set up. Our operation year will be calendar year 2011.
Not only are we building out a smart grid, but using local talent to do that.
We've estimated that the initial phase, the RDSI project, will create and sustain about 300 jobs locally.
It gets us started, and it'll be a great demonstration to show what's possible in the future.